Are you guys excited to see what craft we're gonna do today? I brought along my friend Monkey and Lion to show you. Here they come.
This is the American flag. What color do you boys and girls see? That's right. I see red too.
What other color do you see? I see blue too.
And there's one more color. What other color do you see? Wow, I see white too.
The American flag is red, white, and blue.
Yay! Miss Christine, can you show us how to do this craft?
So for the American flag, I'm going to take my white construction paper, and you could see here I start to cut out small strips, maybe about 1 inch or less. I think I cut out 6. You can cut however many you want out. And then I take my glue stick and I start gluing them to the back of the white construction paper, leaving a little bit of space in between. So we want a pattern of red, white, until you fill up your page. And then next we're going to take our blue construction paper and we're going to cut out a square. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to glue that to the top left of the American flag. And for our stars, I decided to use white paint and Q-tips and just to blop them on. But you can use gold star stickers if you have them, or you can use white chalk and draw on your stars. For the next craft, I took popsicle sticks and I painted them white, and you can see here I did markers, but you have red paint, you can use red paint. And then I just lined them up, and you're going to glue them together. And then the same thing, I just cut out a blue square, put it at the top left, and then I put on my stars. Just like so. You can see here's another example. You can draw on your stars. Have fun, everybody. See you next week for another craft.